Hello and welcome to Clarendon Street. I'm Rebecca and I'm the assistant manager here, and this is Minky, our customer service advisor, and we're going to take you on a tour of Clarendon Street if you want to follow us. Okay, so we're going to start off by showing you all of our social spaces. So if you want to follow me this way, we'll go to our first one. So this is our study room. Hi, okay, so now we've got our next social room where you've got a football table, you've got an Xbox, and you've also got TV for movies. We do also have some board games in reception, so you can always speak to our friendly reception staff and sign those out. And here is our table tennis room. And now we have our final social room. This is our gym space, which is open 24 hours a day, so you can keep on top of your physical fitness throughout your academic year. Now I'm going to show you one of our superior king studios. Follow me. So all of our studios have their own kitchen, and if you follow me to the bedroom, as you can see, you get a lot of space in your studios. And then just through this door here is your ensuite bathroom. And here we have our laundry room. This is on an app-based system with a company called WashStation, so you get to use everything all on your phone. And finally, we are back in our reception area where you can collect any postal packages, fill out any maintenance requests, or speak to our CSA on the desk. Thank you so much for joining us today, and we hope to see you soon.